Ever wondered why some rocks shine perfectly after tumbling while others break apart? The answer lies in the Mohs hardness scale. Let me show you how to choose the right stones for tumbling. Not all rocks are created equal when it comes to tumbling. The Mohs scale is the key to unlocking their potential. The Mohs scale measures a rock's hardness on a scale from 1 to 10. Talc is the softest at 1, and diamonds, the hardest, score a 10. Why does this matter for tumbling? Rocks with similar hardness tumble better together, ensuring smooth and even results. For beginners, aim for rocks with a hardness of 6 to 7, like quartz and jasper. They're durable and polish well together. Others could be clear quartz, amethyst or smoky quartz, and agate, which have a hardness of 6.5 to 7, or jasper, for example, red jasper and carnelian with a hardness of 6.5 to 7. These stones are microcrystalline varieties of quartz, making them great for tumbling as a pair. Mixing soft stones like calcite, hardness 3, with hard stones like agate, hardness 7, can lead to breakage and wasted effort. With the right hardness combination, you'll achieve a more complete finish. Mastering the Mohs scale is one of your first steps to tumbling success. Here are some websites that have information about the Mohs hardness scale. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on rockhounding, tumbling and gemstone polishing. In the next video I will be running 2 barrels to test the Mohs hardness scale, so keep watching.